Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture.
Hey guys, I know you're happy to see me because I'm back with another video. Alright, so you know I was so corny. But anyway, so this wig I got from OMGqueen.com, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box, along with a 5% off discount code, you guys. I believe the discount code is Donna, but I'll scroll it across the screen and I'll also leave it down below in the description box. So this wig, I can tell you real quick, the hair color is natural. It is virgin Brazilian hair. The style is natural wavy. The length that I have mine in is 20 inches. The hair density is 180%. The cap construction, this is a 360 glueless lace wig. It's full lace, you guys, so you can part it anywhere. And it's a 360, so if you wanted to put it up in a bun, you can do so. My cap size is medium. It does have baby hairs, and the hairline is pre-plucked, yes. And you can, if you want to, add elastic bands. So as you guys saw, that my wig came with a whole bunch of goodies, and yeah, so let's just try it on. Okay, you guys, so I already went ahead and cut off the lace. Again, this is a 360, so I had to cut all the way around. So you guys know my face expressions. When I like something, you see it all in my face, and I absolutely love this wig. I was kind of skeptical at first, you know, when I took it out the package. I was like, this is gonna be a regular wig. No, girl, bye. This is not a regular wig. It looks so natural. You'll see once I finish doing everything that I'm about to do to it. But yeah, I love the fit. The cap size fit really good. You don't really need to adhere it to my head. Well, I didn't really need to adhere it to my head, but I was going out later, so yeah, let's just say I needed to secure the wig. So here you just see me adding my foundation powder to the perimeter, and then later on I'm just going to go in and cut the remaining lace off.
Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash else, I just wanted him to lose you. Now it's like damn.
Okay, now it's time for styling. Here I'm just trying to figure out where I wanted the part to be, if I wanted it to be on the side or middle. I did, of course, as you guys can see, go ahead with a side part. I love this wig. And you guys see these long baby hairs? Now, I chose to keep the baby hairs. I cut a little bit, but I didn't want that baby hair look real short and slicked down. I really didn't want that look for this wig, because to me nowadays, when you do that, your hair just automatically looks wiggy. So I wanted it to stay, you know, as natural looking as possible. So once I went ahead and established where I wanted my part, I just went in with my curling wand just to open up that parting space a little more so that you can see it and it's more defined. And then of course I went back in with my foundation powder just to, you know, make it look a little more realistic.
Why do you lie? Oh, you lie. Why do you lie? You lie, do lie. Oh, why? 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 'Cause 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 'c
Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. As you can see, this wig is effortless. I really didn't have to do too much, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys like the wig and what you think about it. Are you going to purchase it? Don't forget you got some coupon codes down there in the description box. So yeah, as you can see, I just went ahead and put on a lighter shirt so you all can see the true length of the wig, which again is 20 inches. So yeah, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I don't know why you need to lie. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to.